Guys, it's me, Layla, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come back and show you guys a project share. As I mentioned in my previous video, I was going to come back on and show you guys the etched mirror work that I've done. This is the vase I was talking about in my previous video. All of these were purchased at Hobby Lobby. And that is not just one bunch. That is pretty much a bunch and a half. So, as I've mentioned before, my colors are turquoise, yellow, and gray. So, therefore, the main color is blue, and then I bought an extra thing of gray sprigs, if you will, and I just added them randomly here and there and everywhere. And this is the vase I was talking about, right here, and Dexter, really, okay, and I etched if you could see, I etched all of this right here. This is all etch work with stencil, and I buffed it with the Rubn Buff in gold, and I added some on the rim of it, right there. So when the light hits correctly, it actually looks really pretty. And I did the bottom and the top, so the whole glass is etched. And it sits on my fireplace, and I have two of them. So this is one of them. And I'm going to cover you guys up. Hold on. I'm taking you over so you don't get nauseous. And this is the other one. They are pretty much identical as handmade can get. And right there. The blue in this one is a little bit deeper than the other one, even though they came from the same batch, which is really strange. But, yeah, it's... And the products are... The stencil was from Martha Stewart, the stickin' stencil. It's like a gluey... It sticks... The stencil is it's like a sticker style. And this one is, right here, is one piece that I used pretty much 6 times. And then these ones right here are individual ones. So it took a while to get this whole thing done. And then the bottom is, again, an individual one. So the sand inside also came from Hobby Lobby. It's their, I think they call it a plant filler, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, so this is my project share for today. It is a home decor piece, and I'll show it to you guys again, all the way from top. It's kind of large, so it's very hard to focus it all in one, but I'm going to try. There, that's kind of sort of one. And this is my fireplace, right there is my fireplace. So I'm waiting for the mantle to come in. We did not get the mantle put in when we got this house built. So I'm waiting for it. We ordered it. I'm just waiting for it to arrive, and then we're gonna put it on top. So for right now, these look pretty just by themselves. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to subscribe and comment. I do love to read your comments, and let me know how you guys like it. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.